Okay, I'm gonna start with the beginning ritual, which is to get my client prepped. The jawline, they're pretty. We're doing like a Macho Man facial. I started off with some head compressions. I will start off with some, but right now I'm going to clean his face. Always good to keep contact. But men, you should actually come in and get exfoliation treatment or facial cleansing treatment just so you can know how to keep your skin clean. This is very relaxing too when you get these facials, messing with the eyebrows and stuff like that. Nick normally has breakouts every now and then, probably because of what he eats, but overall he really has a good skin complexion. We'll call him Infinity Air. It means that his skin doesn't stay oily. Okay, then we're gonna rinse him out. Give him a second. We're going to apply a little of the Maui mask on them. And what the Maui mask does, I use Rhonda Allison products. They're really good. It gets out the dead layer of skin. Like I said, he has really, really, really good skin. So Nick, how does your facial smell? You like pineapples? There they go. It's a Maui peel. So all I'm going to be demonstrating here is just a few techniques, and see how he's bending his face right here. I can easily get him. He's stressing about something. These are good pressure points right here. A client that has sinuses, hit them here, here, and here. How you feel, Nick? Right there. And cut.